A problem occurred. The problem is that a branch fell on this fence and it damaged the fence and it fell from this tree. And because we don't want this to happen again and a branch falls on someone's head, the owner of this fence decided to cut this tree down. And I volunteered for the job. What you see is my work that has been done over the past 2 days. This is the tree falling job of my life. This is like 15-meter tall tree. So I hope it goes well. Stay tuned. Yeah, and because of this tree, I had to stop the treehouse project. So until this tree falls, the treehouse project will be on pause. See you later.